The Galaxy S24 Ultra, which achieved an amazing peak brightness of 2600 nits, was the result of Samsung's relentless efforts to increase display brightness in recent years. That is plenty enough to maintain your screen's visibility even in direct sunshine. Might S25 Ultra make it even brighter? According to Leak, it may feature a more curved shape while keeping the flat front, giving it a touch of elegance without sacrificing functionality. We may have more screen real estate to appreciate our material without interruptions since they may be growing thinner. Let's move on to the good stuff, the camera. The Galaxy S series excels at this feature, and the S25 Ultra is expected to follow suit. We are already drooling over possible updates that might make photography simpler and more enjoyable, thanks to a 200-megapixel main sensor that is jaw-dropping and an amazing 100-megapixel space zoom feature. The wide-angle lens, which is likely to get an upgrade that will delight photography fans, is one of the intriguing improvements that early leaks suggest will be made. Additionally, there is speculation of an ultra-wide lens that will increase its sensor from 12 megapixels to an astounding 50 MP. This type of upgrade might take your photography skills to a whole new level. The enhancements might make the S25 Ultra a must-have gadget for both casual users and content producers. A major advantage for anybody who enjoys capturing life's events would be the ability to shoot excellent photos in a variety of lighting settings. However, there's more. There are reports that the telephoto lens may have some interesting changeable features. A more seamless zoom experience, particularly while filming, might result from this. How awesome is that? Even if there is some discussion about maybe cutting the number of camera lenses from 4 to 3, picture being able to choose between zoom levels with ease and without jerky motions, making your movies seem professional straight out of your pocket. Samsung seems to be testing several innovative features that could make up for the shift. What Samsung has planned is undoubtedly causing a stir in the photography community. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which could be renamed the Snapdragon 8 Elite, is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This powerful CPU is said to have clock rates of up to 4.32 GHz, which would provide a significant performance improvement that should make multitasking and gaming a breeze. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.